Hey, what's up? It's your man Jonas from Viaje Manila, and today we're gonna do unboxing Paselec GS300. We have a saddle, a seat post, I guess I'll be needing a big cutter, and I'm back with a cutter. Yeah, and a pair of wheel here. Be safe. Yeah. And the frame itself with the handlebar. We'll start assembling. So alright, what do we have here? We have a box. Let's see what's inside. So basically what we have here is a charger. Yeah. Takes the lever for the wheel and the pedal. What else? We have the manual. So for those starters, you can look at the manual on how to assemble your bike, your e-bike. Okay, let's get started. Guys, if you're just new sa channel na to, subscribe mo na yan and hit that notification bell. Comment down below for more videos, and then mayroon kayong mga question and inquiries, just comment down below. And guys, follow us also in Facebook and Instagram. Mabilis lang po hanapin, just type Viaje MNL and lalabas na po kagad yan. Alright, unwrap na po natin to. Alright guys, what we have here is a black color GS300. Napakaganda po niya. And let's continue unwrapping this. Alright guys, you can see the frame. It's color black. And may touch po ng mga red linings with the GS300 logo here. Red color. Let's start with the saddle hose. Lagay po natin itong saddle. Then, follow po natin, next po natin yung handlebar. I need to loosen this. Tanggalin po natin para makikabit po natin yung handlebar. And make sure to tighten it. Okay, handlebar done. Next, we're gonna be putting in the front wheel. Very easy. Meron po tayong ehe. Ito po yung use natin para mag-bind po yung bike and the wheel. Alright? First, we need to remove yung cover ng caliper, yung brake pads. Mabilis na naman po siya. Here's the ehe. Spray po siya. Remove the end. And just lift the bike. Make sure na papasok po yung rotor disc. Just like that. Very easy, di ba? So, what else? Pedals. We have a side stand here. I forgot about a side stand. Easier for me. For the bike. Next is the pedals. So it's done! Very easy, di ba mga kabiyahe? Napakabilis lang pupuhin ng ating GS300 out from the box. So, check po natin yung bike. Okay, front fork, suspension is working. Also the back suspension. And brakes are working. Okay na okay, lakas ng kapit. Okay, let's check the battery. Next is I'll be pulling out the battery. Alright? We have a charging port here. The on and off. And syempre, lock nyo, and here's the battery. Alright, it's a 48 volts, 6 Ah battery. And lagay po na sa loob. And lock po natin. And guys, just a quick show, pakita ko po sa inyo kung saan po yung charging port niya. Dahil yung charging port po niya ay nasa ilalim po. So, I'll show you na rin po. Ito po yung charging port niya. And may on-off switch po siya. Very easy lang po to. Unlock the key. And just pull the battery. You can charge the battery separately if you want. Pero ako, I prefer ko na nasa bike na po siya, then i-charge po natin. This GS300 is equipped with a 27.5 by 2.4 CST tire. So, I think that's wide enough para gamitin. Lalo na pa nag-trail kayo. Guys, napakaganda po niyan. You can see the spikes ng gulong. Swabing-swabe po yan. And guys, if gusto nyo mag-upgrade ng mga parts, like ng group set, or ng mga rotor discs, upgradable po siya. Yun po ang kinaganda ng e-bike na to. Upgradable po siya sa prefer nyo na brand. So guys, yun po. Napakaganda po talaga ng GS300. So, avail na po kayo while stock lasts. Again, a quick look of the GS300. Napakaganda, di ba?